Was the most painless check-in bag situation ever. Germany, you're doing something right. Right, food. Flight number 1, so far, so good. We have a 3-hour layover the next one. We actually had to go through customs in Switzerland, so we got a Swiss stamp in our passport. Not that we really earned it, but we got one. Okay, so funny story. We had to go through passport check to get into Zurich, but then to get into the like small area where the American flights are, there was another passport check, and some very snooty lady asked the guy about it, and he's like, "This is an extra passport for Mr. Trump." So apparently you have to do another passport check now that the immigration thing is. All right, 9 hours check. 3-hour layover and then a 3-hour flight and then like a 30-minute drive. Was this excited?
I
have to say, Swiss Air was fantastic. They had great food, great snacks, great entertainment. The seats went back way farther than you anticipated.
I will like fly Swiss Air 100%.
Pleasantly surprised. Way to go, Swiss Air. Way to go. All right, security was very short, thankfully. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. All right, Chicago O'Hare Airport is not fast. It was like a 3-hour line, check-in, line, check-in, line, check-in. So just, if you're coming through Chicago, plan accordingly. It was insane. It was insane. All right, now we can go to our gate. Shame. Shame. All right, last 2-hour flight, 2.5, 2 hour.
I don't even have any idea.
What time is it?
I'm not even keeping track.
6, 7, 2 hour and 10-minute flight. Almost 24 hours of travel. We're ready. All right. Last flight, check. Now we just gotta get our bags. Done. And Drew and Caitlin are picking us up, so life is really good. It's 3:30 in the morning there, and like 8:30 here. So our trip is over.